I'm gonna show you a roast sausage and grape dish cooked all in one pan. In your cast iron skillet, put a little tiny bit of water and cook up some sweet sausage for about 5 minutes in a little bit of water. So I par cook the sausages, then I dump out the water. Then I add a little olive oil and 1 bulb of fennel, a large shallot, or if they're smaller, I put in 2, and some crushed garlic. I saute that up in olive oil. I add the sausage back to the pan, some stripped rosemary. Then we're gonna cover that with black seedless grapes all around the sausage. Then you're going to add to that about a cup of red wine, a little black pepper and salt, and shove this in the oven, nice hot oven. So these are your sausages with grapes when you pull them out of the oven with the fennel and garlic and rosemary and all that going on. Cooked in wine at the bottom, right? And then I put a little balsamic drizzle over the top.